Hello. Now, we need some basic details on you, so complete as many of these details on the page as you can. If you're working with a personal trainer, they're going to need a few more details than what AustraliaWOW does, so it's up to you to put those in. So what we need is your first name, your last name, your gender, your date of birth, all the usual suspects. So which country you're in, that's important, and your time zone. You might very well live in Australia, but you might take AustraliaWOW with you when you're travelling on business overseas. You can change the time zone. It's really important that you select the right time zone, because otherwise the accountability and motivation messages and the messages from your trainer, if you've got one, they'll all come at kind of like Australia time, and you might be in the UK. You really don't want to be receiving messages at silly o'clock in the morning. Get your time zone right. Okay, so putting your address in, that's easy, just type it in. But the suburb, so once you've actually selected which country you're in, if you click on this green search icon, we have most of the postcodes around the world for everywhere that we release in. So let's just type in the suburb, in this case it's in Australia, so let's just type in something like Bethania. Let's just go and search for Bethania in Brisbane. And so there it is. Okay, and what you'll click on is the select button. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, we've auto-completed like your suburb, the county or state where it's in, and the postcode or zip code. So just by clicking on the search, punching in the first few details, all right, we'll bring up the rest of it. Okay, click on select, job done. Now your phone number, the home phone number, is an optional thing. If you're working with a PT, put that in. The thing that we need, though, as AustraliaWOW system, is we do need your mobile number. Okay, and we will be sending a 4-digit PIN number to that mobile each and every time that you change it. Of course, you can change your mobile number. Click on change, follow the bouncing ball. We'll send you a 4-digit text number. Punch that into the software, and it asks you. Job done. All right. Same with the email. Change your email address as many times as you want. We'll email you again a 4-digit number that you'll come into the system and punch it in, and you've changed it. Job done. Now your password, change that as many times as you want there and then. Okay, and all of these tick boxes down here, now we suggest that you leave them on. Right? If you need some accountability and motivation, probably leave them on, because that be a system sending you the text message to say, like, you know, well done or whatever. We want to keep tabs on you. All right. If you don't want to keep tabs on you and you don't need them, you don't feel you need them, then untick them for sure. All right. But for those initial first stages, I would just leave them all on. Up to you. So that's what you need to do. Now the emergency contact name and number, really only if you're using a personal trainer, because nobody else is going to see this. Okay. And the My GP's details is covered in a separate video. Go ahead and click that, and we'll take that on another video for sure. Once you've done all of your changes, click down here where you've got the actual tick mark, and we'll say congratulations, it's saved, and then we've saved it.